Hey boys and girls, today I will be using answers to find LCM and GCF, or just common multiples and common factors, so I can find the answers in a different way rather than finding them. I'm given them and I can work backwards. And I'll now have it when I can use the given information to find out what I need. So the big thing to remember is the difference between multiples, which are right here. So when you have a number and you count on, and factors, which is when you have a number and you figure out what numbers evenly divide into those numbers. So occasionally you'll see a problem that will say which of the following are common multiples of 6 and 8, and it gives you a lot of numbers. So we could do this the way from earlier in the week's videos, where we make ours. We do a 6, we do an 8, we count on, so on and so forth. But I'm going to use the answers that are given to me to figure this out. Now I know with common multiples, I'm multiplying the single digits, so my numbers have to be bigger. So I automatically can use some logic and get rid of 1 and 2, because 1 and 2 are both smaller than 6 and 8. While 6 is bigger than, or is exactly equal as 6, it's smaller than 8, so I can also eliminate that, because they have to be common multiples of both. Now the rest of my numbers are bigger than 6 and 8, so now I start thinking, can 6 go into 12, or can I multiply something with 6 to get 12? Well, yes I can. I can do 6 times 2. Can I multiply something with 8 to get 12? I can't. So that does not work. Can I multiply something with 6 to get 16? No, I cannot. Can I multiply something with 6 to get 24? Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so now I need to check the 8. 6 times 3 is 24. So that works for both of them. So now we figure out, can I multiply something with 6 to get 30? Absolutely. 6 times 5 is 30. Can I multiply something with 8 to get 30? I cannot. So that eliminates that one. Can I multiply something with 6 to get 42? Yes, I can, but I can't for 48. And finally, I know 6 times 8, so actually both of those numbers will give me 48. So those numbers are the multiples of 6 and 8. In this example, now we're looking for the common factors of 12, 16, and 24. Make sure you recognize that we're talking about common factors instead of common multiples. Pause this and solve it independently. Alright. Hopefully you've solved this. And now with common factors, just like with the common multiples, I could eliminate some numbers because they were smaller. Factors, I know the factors are smaller than the numbers. So I can eliminate 48 and 16 because they're both bigger than 12. Now, I know that 1 is always a factor of every single number because you can multiply anything by 1. Get it? I know 12, 16, and 24 all will evenly, or 2 will go into 12, 16, and 24 because they're all even numbers. I know that 3 will go into both 12 and 24. Fortunately, 3 does not go into 16, so that does not work. Will 4 go into 12? Yes. Will 4 go into 16? Yes. Will 4 go into 24? Yes. So that's all there. 5 will not go into 12, so I don't even have to check the rest of them. Does 5 go into 6? Or does 6 go into 12? Yes, it does. Does 6 go into 16? It does not. Does 8 go into 12? No, it does not. Does 12 go into 12? Yes, it does. But 12 does not go into 16. So that is the thing there. So my common factors are 1, 2, and 4. So with factors, I'm figuring out, will those numbers go into the numbers given, whereas multiples are, can I multiply something with that number to get those numbers. That's going to wrap it up for us here tonight, boys and girls. We've got our 2 bring back to school problems. Number 1, which is not a common factor of 18 and 30. And number 2, which of the following is a common multiple of 3, 4, and 6. Make sure we don't mix up factors and multiples, because that's a very common mistake with 4th grade, but we watched 2 videos on the difference between the two. Solve these 2 problems, and I'll see you in the morning.